I'm having lunch in Mama Z's. Hey YouTubes, Danny here from Ideal Fitness and Nutrition, and today you are in the kitchen with me and Mama Z. If you've not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and head over to our Facebook and Instagram page and give those a like too. Chicken and mango stir fry is something that I have cooked many times and it's one of my favourite meals. If you want to have access to this recipe, head over to my website www.idealfitnessnutrition.co.uk, and it is on our members area. So let's get started, yeah? So today, for this wonderful recipe, we are going to use some chicken. We have mango, pepper, red onion. We have some buckwheat flour. So for anybody that doesn't know, buckwheat is a type of flour, so Tesco's a place to go. Thank you, Tesco. We have some chilli powder, or you can use fresh chilies. We have some garlic. You can also use fresh garlic. My favourite ingredient ever.
Yeah, I know.
Amazing. Love coconut oil.
Yeah. I'm starting to feel that love with the coconut oil.
We have some honey to sweeten it up. We have some soy sauce and some rice vinegar. Rice vinegar is just great for using in stir fries. You can use it as drizzle it in dips. It's good for Oriental foods. So first thing we are going to do is peel and chop this mango. So when you cut a mango, you can see the shape of it. It's sort of wider and sort of thinner. We slice down the pip of the mango, sits through this bit here. And I'm wearing my merch today as well, which is merch and is available on our website if you want to grab yourself one.
I'm going to get myself a hoodie. I'm going to get myself a tracksuit, so Danny, I'm trying to push you to get something.
So as you can see,
oh my God,
real closely, just there, it's a white pip. And you cut the middle bit out, because if you can't get through.
I didn't do that.
So, and then what I like to do, slice just down in strips.
Just prepare the rice, guys, by mummy.
Around the outside. And then flip the skin over, and we just pull out even the slices.
I'm new to all this, so yummy. Guys, I'm just preparing the rice, just putting a sprinkle of salt on there, and I'm going to measure out my olive oil before I get told off. So how much olive oil can I put?
It's entirely up to you.
Can I put that?
But about half a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Right, and now I'm just cutting the pepper. Cutting that into slices as well, de-season it. Now we're going to cut the red onion. We've got some ginger that's ready to go, so we don't need to grate any ginger. Okay, so the recipe states to coat the chicken in some buckwheat flour. You don't have to do this, it just helps thicken up the sauce. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pass all the vegetables onto Mama Z, and she's going to fry them off, and I'm going to mix all the ingredients for the sauce together. I am going to pass these vegetables onto you. If you could pop them into the pan. Right, okay, so I am going to mix together the ingredients for the sauce. It just gives it a little bit of like a nice texture, nice taste. It's lovely. So we've got rice vinegar, we've got honey, we have got soy sauce. Do you know what? Gordon Ramsay, not that you're probably ever going to watch this video, but if you are, I love you. I love Gordon Ramsay.
No.
Yeah. Honestly, if I could meet any celebrity, it would be Gordon. I love him. I love his food. I love the way he cooks. I love the way he takes control of a kitchen. I've seen all of his programs. Cool. I love my husband just as not just as much. I love my husband more. I love my husband more.
Basically, you're real, and Gordon Ramsay's not in that reach. The smell. Oh, the smell. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Honestly, the smell is phenomenal.
So what's your favourite thing to cook?
Me?
Like ever, yeah.
Ever? I like to cook lamb tagine.
Yeah.
I love lamb tagine. Oh, guys, I love Moroccan dishes.
Maybe you can teach me how to cook that one day.
Oh, yes. Oh, I would
That'd
love
be a
to.
good idea.
I'd love to.
That much chilli powder?
Oh my god, that's a lot. You sure?
Is it lot? Half of that then.
Yeah, hot like that. I think.
Yeah, that's cool.
Like that,
That's fine.
That's enough chili powder.
Yep.
Woo, otherwise.
Do a whole one of those of garlic and half of ginger, I would
Oh.
say.
Yes, boss.
Now I am gonna taste this sauce. If you do want to fit intermittent fasting into your sort of daily life, then I'd say 5 out of 7 days is perfect, really. I'd say you need to do it more than 3 days a week, but 5 is fine.
Sizzling.
Okay, so that's the sauce ready.
Guys, look at that vegetables. Can you see that?
And just keep moving it, and then that's just got to cook through.
Do you mind just putting that in the sink? Thank you very much. I'm absolutely loving my journey.
So what happens in our coaching is that anybody that comes and does my top coaching package gets daily nutrition coaching. It's
Literally
not
daily, like she will help you daily.
every single day.
Every single day. It'll be your mind change.
So yeah, we don't just help with nutrition. It's sort of a whole person approach. Nutrition is like the main thing. Like if you want to gain weight, if you want to lose weight, if you just want a healthier lifestyle, like we're gonna help you with all of that. But we change your mindset as well. And I think yours is sort of
mine's
changing,
changed.
isn't it?
Mine's changed. Like I will see something like, let's say, like a chocolate bar or something, and I'm like, no, that's processed. And as Daddy said, you can have whatever you want as long as it's in the calories, especially initially. But my mindset has changed so quickly, and now that we're doing all this cooking, I feel like, no, I can make my own things. Why? I need to know what I'm eating. So my mind's completely changed.
and that's what we like to try and teach.
I love Daddy.
Just know what you're putting into your body. We go back to our hunter and gatherer days. They didn't have all this processed food. They literally had the vegetable they could grow and the meat that was available to them. They had to kill it, grow it and cook it and eat it themselves. And that's what we try and teach you. Like, go ahead and have all the foods that you enjoyed. I would just suggest having them in moderation and just really think about, like, am I hungry? Does my body need this? What's it doing to my body? And if you don't know the answers to those questions, then that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you. I'm here for you to like understand that whole process. And although it seems like quite a lot at the beginning, it just, you form daily habits. So the physical aspect of it, of like what you get from us, is it's not just me ramming a load of words into your face and telling you to get on with it. We have an app and we are precision nutrition coaches. So we have trained with the experts. Have a Google of who PN are, Precision Nutrition. It's master's level training. And I'm confident that I know what I'm talking about with all my clients.
She does.
And so yeah, you download the app and you fill in our intake form, and you basically tell us everything there is to need to know about you, your past, lifestyle, history. Over a lifetime, we form bad habits. So whether you've been told to diet in a specific way, whether it's a low-fat diet, a high-fat diet, if it's through a weight loss group, if you've tried, like, I don't know, the Atkins diet or the cabbage soup diet or the carrot smoothie diet, like, people will try anything to lose weight, but we want to teach you the real way, so we need to know what habits you formed in the past.
Yeah,
and a maintainable diet.
Because, you know, you don't want to just be doing it for a little bit and then just go back to normal habits.
Exactly. And I want to try and stop people from being on plan, off plan. Like, there is no plan. You eat what your body needs. And you enjoy the foods you want to enjoy in moderation, knowing that there's no need to binge because you know when you're going to get your next meal from. So you can literally have daily coaching from me from the other side of the world. I'm in the UK, you could be in Australia. You could be in Thailand, you could be in Spain. I could literally help you from your phone. We can do video calls, we can do WhatsApp calls, and you get weekly phone calls or weekly video calls as well as the daily coaching. I like to build a relationship with my clients. I don't like to just leave you high and dry and let you to get on and do it yourself.
How do you know when chicken's cooked?
Because it's not pink on the inside anymore. Add the vegetables
Add the vegetables,
in.
right. Okay. Oh,
yes. Good mix.
Yeah.
So it's entirely up to you how much you cook your vegetables. Some people like them a little bit like al dente, a little bit crunchy and crispy, which is sort of my preferred way of cooking vegetables. It doesn't really matter, to be honest.
No?
all the juices stay within it, so.
Oh, I thought if you cook it too much, the vegetables.
The juices will stay. Something like a stir fry, the juices will all stay in there. So.
Okay.
It's
Sorry, my
not
tummy,
too much.
my tummy's rumbling.
You've got a hungry mummy in the house.
Mama's hungry.
Some,
The rice is done.
I'm gonna pop.
So is this what, the honey and the soy sauce?
This is honey, soy sauce, and rice vinegar.
Nice. I know that is a lot of rice. I mean, we're not going to use all that rice, but I'm just saying, like, I just made. Yeah, I don't know why I made so much rice. That is done.
Yeah, that is done. I'm having lunch in Mama's.
So how much rice would I put? Is that enough? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. Good amount. Okay, so guys, look at our lovely dish. Yummy. Yeah.
Lovely.